Hi, this is Vizzy Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete Instagram watch history. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! In today's digital age, social media platforms like Instagram play a significant role in our daily lives as we scroll through countless reels and video or watch gets filled with content that we may not want to keep. If you're looking to clean up your Instagram feed or simply want to maintain your privacy, knowing how to delete Instagram watch history is essential. So in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to delete your Instagram watch history. So it's very simple. First of all, you can just open your Instagram, of course. You can go to your profile. From profile, you can tap on the up right corner with the three lines over here. From here, you can go to your activity. From your activity, you can just scroll down until see there is an option of watch history. You can just select on that. So here's all the your watch history on your Instagram. If you want to delete, you can just select on the upper right corner here. Select. You can select on the video that you want to delete. Maybe for example, you want to delete this, which is 3. Now we can just select on remove. Remove reels from watch history. You can just select on remove. So now you have removed that video from your watch history on your Instagram account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to delete your Instagram watch history. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.